I'm Chef P.
I'm Les.
I'm John, and we are Ghetto Gastro, the Bronx-born and bred culinary collective paving our own lane at the intersection of food, art, fashion, and activism.
And today we're making that bird call recipe.
This chicken is brined, then seared on our CRUXGG fry pan. It's finished in the oven, then brushed with a sweet, zesty glaze. When we brine together, we shine together. You feel what I'm saying?
That's a fact.
The brine will make your chicken extra juicy. It's apple cider vinegar, honey, salt, and water. Let it chill overnight, pat dry, and let it hang out in the fridge to dry out. This is as simple as it gets, man. Simple, but complex flavors, all right? Equal parts to every spice. We got some good turmeric in. A little garlic powder, a dash of onion powder, turmeric and salt. Heat your 12-inch CRUXGG fry pan with some butter.
So no lying, that's that cast iron?
Now I'm gonna keep it real, man. This is CRUXGG carbon blue steel. This pan heats up pretty fast and creates a golden brown caramelized crust. Look at that guy right there.
Wow,
You see?
okay.
She got that nice brown on there? It has similar heat retention like cast iron, but it's lightweight like stainless steel. The best of both worlds. It can sear, brown, and caramelize, which to us means layering flavors. That smells like heaven on earth. Put the whole pan with the bird in the oven and continue to cook, basting every 5 to 10 minutes. When your bird is resting, make the pan sauce. Now we ready to start rocking. Add garlic, ginger, and scallions, deglazing with Shaoxing wine. Add shoyu, coconut aminos, honey, apple cider vinegar, and tomato paste.
Oh man, that's incredible, bro.
That's what I'm talking about right there. Now I'm lost in the sauce.
Serve it up with veggies and bussin' roti.
Find the recipe and shop CRUXGG Carbon Blue Steel on WilliamsSonoma.com. You know the vibe.
Yeah.
Let's ride.